Hi everyone, this is Shashank. I have a total of 7 years of experience in Python, which includes 3 years of experience in data analytics. In this video, I'm going to answer the top 3 questions people ask me every time about Python. First, what is Python? What can you do with it? And why is it so popular? In other words, what does it do that other programming languages don't? So, Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just amongst software engineers, but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, and even kids, because it's a very beginner friendly language. So, people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks, such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. In fact, this is one of the big uses of Python amongst people who are not software developers. If you constantly have to do boring, repetitive tasks such as copying files and folders around, renaming them, uploading them to a server, you can easily write a Python script to automate all that and save your time. And that's just one example. Let's say if you have to continuously have to work with Excel spreadsheets, download websites and parse them, you can automate all that stuff with Python. And you don't have to be a software developer to do that. You could be an accountant, a scientist, or any other professional and use Python to make your life easier. You can also use Python to build web, mobile, and desktop applications as well as for software testing and even hacking. So Python is a multi-purpose language. Now, if you have some programming experience, you may say, but we can do all this stuff with other languages also. So what's the big deal about Python? Well, here are a few reasons. With Python, you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. Python makes a lot of trivial things really easy with a simple yet powerful syntax. Here are a few other reasons Python is so popular. It's a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management like you have to do in C++. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. It also has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, which means whenever you want to do something, it is likely that someone else has done it before, since Python has been around for 20 years. So, in a nutshell, Python is a multi-purpose language with a clean syntax. So these are the main reasons it is the number one language employers are looking for. So whether you are a programmer or an absolute beginner, learning Python opens up a lot of job opportunities to you. So guys, stay tuned. Shortly we'll be starting an online training here on Python and data analytics with Python. Thank you.